In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. This guide is perfect for beginners, especially if you are managing accounts for a nonprofit, charity, or organization that receives contributions. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are on the dashboard, the main thing to understand is that donations are usually recorded as income, but not as sales of products or services. Instead, they are categorized under a special income account, often called donations, contributions, or fundraising income. Step 1 is to create a donation income account if you do not already have one. Go to the Settings icon in the top right corner and select Chart of Accounts. Click New. For account type, choose Income. For detail type, select something like nonprofit income or other primary income, depending on your version. Name the account Donations or Contributions, then click Save and Close. Next, you should set up the donor. In QuickBooks, donors are treated like customers so you can track who gave money. Go to Sales on the left menu, then Customers. Click New Customer. Enter the donor's name and any contact details you have, then click Save. Now let's record a donation that you have already received. Click the plus New button at the top. Choose Sales Receipt. In the Customer field, select the donor's name. Choose the payment method, such as cash, check, or bank transfer. In the Deposit To field, select the bank account where the money was deposited. In the Product/Service section, you may need to create a new service item called Donation. Click Add New. Set the item type to Service, name it Donation, and link the income account to the donations account you created earlier. Save it. Enter the donation amount in the Amount column. Add a description if needed, such as General Donation or Event Contribution, then click Save and Close. If you received multiple donations together and will deposit them later, choose Undeposited Funds in the Deposit To field. Later, go to Plus New and select Bank Deposit to group those payments into one deposit that matches your bank statement. That's it. You have successfully recorded a donation in QuickBooks Online. This method helps you track donors, keep income organized, and make reporting easier at tax time. Thanks for watching.